Olaba na bino ebintu. They are very good greens for us.
Eat them. Really?
Wow. They are very good.
Let me tell you, I
It's a
started
Kenyan
eating
who
greens
told
and
me.
mukulu.
So
I've only endured nakati. I ate those pumpkin leaves one time. I visited in Pifa. We went to the village and they added, so they didn't have much, so they would just boil them with salt. But man, I liked them. I was like, these things are nice. I liked their taste. It was not sour. It was. I was like, this is. But I came back home. I couldn't have those ones.
Not sour, not bitter, not anything. Chokanga protein ali muno mungi.
Babili, I've never seen. I think some of those
it's
things.
It's a Kenyan.
Wesagano soko tuka in a person who eats them and see they cook them and. Wow, have you ever eaten them you yourself?
I eat them.
Now you cook them and eat
my
them.
dodo is miserable, but I used to mix it with dodo and pumpkin leaves.
Wow. I wonder what name they call them there as they are feasting on them.
And also the pepper, this type is not the right one. This is white pepper. Very good. There is what we call cayenne pepper.
Cayenne, yeah? Yes.
That one. Very good.
Ooh, I'm stepping in the
Then also it is
So these ones you add into the feeds. Do you cut it still?
Yeah, you can cut and put into the feeds.
Oh, interesting.
So you can squeeze and put into the water.
Man, those things can. These ones, I thought they are these ones.
This is white pepper. It's a different type.
This is white. This is white pepper. I've had this one in the powdered form in the kitchen. Oh, white pepper. That's how it grows. Why is it white pepper yet it becomes red after when it's yellow? Oh, its powder remains, I don't know, white.
But how do its powder remain
white?
I'm harvesting on the
Chitaferi. I've heard of chitaferi.
That is it.
But she made everybody.
Yes, it does. It hasn't. It's young.
This is the tree of chitaferi. Interesting. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you know.
And the purple, is good also for their tummies. Most of their diseases come from the tummies.
The purple, so you give it purple leaves?
But this one, I don't know why. Kubanga I had a purple there, same thing happened.
But the way they color just yellow in a way.
Simanyi lwaki ndowooza ttaka ligaana ebisinga
because a lot of
olaba n'oyo ffene naye era ajjako yellow leaves. But the other one is nkoma mawanga, if you know nkoma mawanga.
I've seen that but they grow in an actual tree?
Yes, it will be a tree
because I've seen a tree. Some I've been in a home. Then the other ones that are small one this one nkoma mawanga wagifuuyideko eddagala? Maybe yetaaga whatever it is, maybe kisobola okugobwa n'eddagala. Kubanga if it's a soil, the only soil disease I know, the only disease I know that is in the soil that is really almost impossible to heal is Friesian wilt. Ate oba abalala go bandiso kikula kya mwotoka.
That's a herb.
Okay, this one is a herb. What herb is this? Kawunyira. Kana kawunye nnyo. Peera. And then this one which I've already nkoma mawanga. Nkoma mawanga. The jackfruit is just for fun, right? But it's also helpful.
But pera is also very good for chicken. The leaves, you get the young leaves.
Also, these ones for chicken. But these ones are for
these ones.
These
ones. Let me tell you their story. They were there when I take a chiyumba chenko. Remember, I'm in a family home. Mama yali simba. So they were telling me, don't let them go, don't destroy them, bichi. I was like, when nalabanga zizeno, nenzi securing and nenziteekawo naye nga n'amazima n'okwera olujja tezeeri. Naye nga weeziri, because they told me mama yasimba. What was it?
To keep the memory alive or something of that sort. Like you don't want to be the person who...
Then that one is called a snake plant. But I hear...
To repel snake? Because why is it called a snake plant? Either it has to be doing one or the other. Attracts or repels?
I think repelling. Attracting. I pray it is repelling.
Since you haven't seen any, if someone was attracting someone, they would have come already.
Yeah, they would have come.
So maybe it is doing... this one looks like something.
This is another... it is like a chiflower.
But it's not for anything.
I don't know, but it could be something.
I've met it before.
There are things we know.
I tell you, when you don't know, you don't know. You want... It's like us, maybe even to Kenya. For we don't know, we don't know. Either we don't eat them. You go to their homes, they serve you a dish, and you're like, that is the flower you had in your house. You're like, really? Okay. That's interesting.
So those are the review.
Oh, well done. Bamita bulrush?
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass, chisubi. Yes. Lemongrass. Fananga manjani gan chisubi. Nga noloza mulimu chisubi. Kumbe mulimu kawowo kokka bakafuuyiramu nga spray. Yeah. The main house.
Oh, the other one is
okay. Bye. Interesting. You know, your mind there, because you can, that saying can be to an idle mind, the devil's workshop. Because imagine if everything you said, let someone do this, let me go out there and be this.
I get some boy who comes in.
So these ones you have to wash them every day, right?
No. 2 days, after 2 days. Yes. It would have been every day.
Sure. You do what is doable. Tokola schedule manyete jotajja kusobola.
kati mbatalereddeyo leero.
So when the next day comes, obongereramu bwongerezi mazzi. You even wash. Abamu nno nga kirekerawo ddala no for times. Kimalako okukoowa bulungi.
Ate gw'oba ogenda okkakkiriramu.
Okuzijanjaba. So all these tanks, this is rainwater. So when
for the chicken.
Oh, specifically for the chicken.
Water, which is the one. Eringa forget
I saw a tap
the one
there.
I use.
Oh.
But before I got the tap water, because tap water just came this year.
Okay.
I used to do this.
That way you don't have to be spending water much on water at a what.